Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jela ubah kami yaktanat Sports and Youth Affair ubah wailat Miki Shela. Haka arp kondai terik ujeliu aja penriu ulong bak Sorkar Jela ke Burom ya karai balashim da Meghalaya Cricket Association. Haka baidai bak Jingshah syak keno le Kynshleiñ ya kitai le kai cricket Jong Jela namar baya kani karai lashim Hadien bla pendap ya ke Jingtohkit da Meghalaya State Commission for Women. Haka jingkran bakilap thai kubor ubah Shela ulong baka BCCI baka MCA kida ki kenhun ki bete kam lai lut bat ongru baka jing sngo jong ushiman ki MCA ka le la ka jong ka benta kat kum ki jing lap haka Jingtohkit.
You see, because more or less this issue, no doubt at first is already taken care by the MCA, and later on it's went to the Women Commission as well. So definitely, more or less, like as you all know, that this BCCI or MCA for that matter, more or less they are working as a kind of autonomous body. So majorly because the funding and everything majorly is coming from the BCCI. So that's why I think most of the decision also we like as a government we respect, and we also that we see that the due diligence has done, the inquiry has been put, and I think based the report which they have given is purely after the inquiry, and also I think from my point of view, I feel that I think they have done their part. So definitely I think the decision taken is based on their finding.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.